Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lee FS Coach, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how to use Bollinger Band strategy to pick your entry, and you use RSI for your confirmation. So this is the new strategy that I'm working on presently. Okay, so when you want to set your Bollinger Band, okay, Bollinger Band, you use the default settings, guys. Just default settings, then you click done. So your chart looks just like this, and for your RSI 14 is the default. So but you add period 50 and then indicate it as the trend, then period 70 as sell, period 30 as buy. Okay, so you can change the color right here, and your chart will look just like mine. Okay, so using this indicator now, RSI is used to confirm if our trade is valid or not. So any level, when the RSI level is below the 50, it's telling you to buy. Okay, and when it is above, it's telling you to sell. Okay, just like normal trading with overbought or oversold period. But here we don't necessarily wait for overbought or oversold. Any level within the range, okay, anything less than 50 period to 30 period is telling us to buy. Any level greater than 50 to 70 is telling us to sell. Okay, then how do we pick our trade based on Bollinger Band? We are looking for the candle that will pierce out of the Bollinger Band. Okay, so we are entering on the next candle, and this is a daily time frame, guys. This is a daily time frame, so it's very easy to trade, very easy to trade. So you wait for the candle that will pierce out, and you take your trade the next day. Okay, basically, why when I was working on this, I thought you enter the market on the next market open. All right, so I'll share more details right now. So guys, while working on it, I thought we should be able to enter the market on the next day market opens. Okay, but there are times that the market will move against us before turning back and giving us all the profit and the likes. But you can just walk around it. But this is the main concept. Okay, guys. So from daily time frame, okay, just like this day, you wait for the candle that pierce out, okay, and then you enter on the next day. Okay, so this will give you a lot of emotions and draw down before the market will actually reverse the second and the third day. Okay, I will show you several of examples that I took the trade. This is another day. So this is a signal right here, and then you enter the market the following day, right? So this gives you some a little bullish candle before the market reverse. Okay, so the trade signal is just as simple as that. Okay, so wait for the candle to pierce out, you enter on the next day. All right, so you are not expecting the big movement anyway. It's just for you to be able, it's a day trading strategy for you to be able to know the direction of the market the following day, given what happened the previous day. Okay, so when it peers out, okay, you enter the second day. Okay, so I've been working on this and it looks very fine. So my entry was a sniper entry yesterday. I don't know, because when I was checking the market during the London session, I was still going very close to the London session. So I see the market right here, and since my rule is valid, I just enter into the market. Okay, so this is the first rule. The candle pairs in, and the RSI is within the sell range. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a sell. So and this has given me over 130 pips. So the entry was so precise. Can you see my entry right here? The entry was so precise, and the market started dropping and dropping. Okay, so let's just pick another one. I'll just share with you every of my trade entry. So I also picked this. Okay, like I said, I was just working on it. So I saw that here is a signal, here is a signal, here is a signal, and it has been working. So when I see that this piercing, this is a little piercing, okay, I just enter the market the following day. And like I said, when I see the market, when I opened my chart to pick the trade, the the market has already dropped to this place, but I just triggered the market because I know after this kind of movement, the market will buy. Okay, so that's why I said even if you enter at market opens, you know it might give you a little drawdown before moving in your direction. That's normal. Okay, so but you can wait for London opens because that's where you see most of the movements, so that the market will have moved in a certain direction before going in your direction. This is nearly a sniper entry as well. Okay, you can also use the strategy on lower time frame, but I didn't work on it anyway. But I have seen it that it can work if you can work around it. Okay, so it peers out and the market reverses, peers out and the market reverses. And note your RSI is in where the buy zone. Okay, so it just works just like that. Even if you are trading on a lower time frame, when it peers, okay, and your RSI is in your sell zone, the market will still come down. That's if you are trading on lower time frame. But I'm just showing you how this works. Okay, AUD card. So this is another trade entry that I picked. So this was the signal. Okay, and I'm still within. So I picked the trade the following day. You can also pick this by the following day because the rule is still valid here. Okay, the rule is still valid here, very much valid. So here is the candle that appears in. So you enter on the next candle, right? So let me show you another example. AUD card, AUD USD. So I took a lot of trades. So this AUD USD. You can see the same rule. It appears in. Okay, so I enter the following day. Okay, my entry was this precise because I traded during the London session, guys. So let me just go. This entry wasn't precise because even after entering into the market still moves or come down against me before going up right now. Okay, so let me show you the next one. Euro AUD. So Euro AUD was also a sniper entry. Okay, so this is the signal candle. This is the signal candle, and within the buy zone, within the sell zone rather. And so I'm just picking myself from here. Okay, so from lower time frame, you can see the sniper entry. You can see the sniper entry right here. Okay, so there are several confirmation for this trade. This is a divergence right here. This is a divergence right here. Okay, go back to daily. I'm going to show you all the trade I picked. I'll show you Eagle NZD. Okay, so this is the signal candle telling me to buy. Okay, so I enter my trade on the next day. Okay, so let me show you. There are some that did not work because it's normal for strategy to work that way. There are some that did not work. Okay, for example, this is the signal candle. This is the signal candle. Okay, and I entered on this candle. Okay, so this market moved down and then later move up and going up again. So this did not work. Let me go to lower time frame. Today, yesterday, so I enter for my sell, should be around this level, should be around this place, and then the market drops in my direction, then move back up. Okay, and still going up again. So but from data perspective, you can see that the signal is still valid, guys. It's still valid because this is the candle that appears in. Okay, so probably today I'm expecting the market to be bearish, and remember our RSI is still saying the market is still within the sell range. Okay, so this did not work. GBP USD did not work as well. Open chart. Okay, so GBP USD did not work. So here is the signal candle, guys, that appears out of the Bollinger Band. So I entered on this candle, but GBP USD just keep dropping, dropping, dropping. You know, GU has been bearish for a very long time now with strong movement downward. Okay, so I still entered again because the rule is still valid. I think I entered based on a signal I see on 15 minutes or thereabout. Yeah. So here is another signal. I was saying you can use it on 15-minute lower time frame. So I place this buy right here, hoping it will continue and give this one also profit, but it still continues down and moving back and forth. So but I still believe it's still going to go up as long as the signal is still valid. Okay, so this is just a simple step you can use in picking your trade, and you see how it works. So you can just backtest, see if it is the kind of strategy you have been looking at to help your trading. Okay, so you can check through. When you see this candle, when you see the candle, yeah, you take on the next candle. You take your trade on the next candle. I didn't develop any stop loss or take profit for this. It's just do it at your own discretion. Okay, when you see the signal, when you enter the market, you can leave at any time. This is just a day trading strategy.